Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to start Echo Leaf blower. Place the blower on a flat level surface and make sure the blower tube is clear of debris and the air intake is not blocked. Do not point the blower towards people or pets. Now push the stop switch to the on position and move the choke lever to the cold start or closed choke position. Locate the purge bulb typically near the carburetor. Press it 5 to 6 times or until you see fuel in the bulb. If you see bubbles, keep pressing until the bulb is full of fuel. Hold down the blower with one hand to stabilize it. With your other hand, pull the recoil starter sharply until the engine tries to start, usually within 3 to 5 pulls. Once the engine fires or starts and stalls, move the choke to the run position and pull the starter cord again until the engine runs continuously. Just let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds to warm up and gently squeeze the throttle trigger to increase speed and begin blowing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.